Okay, deadheading is a very basic form of pruning, and the reason that we deadhead is for aesthetic purposes, to make the flowers look better, but there's also another reason: it's to prolong the flowering season. So basically, in very basic terms, what happens is these roses are flowering to attract pollinators. Once the pollinators have managed to pollinate the flower has done its job, and it's now going to send a signal back to the plant to say, I'm pollinated, I need some energy now to produce the seed pod, which is found just behind, here we go here. So this is the seed pod. It's very, very small at the moment, but as soon as that flower is pollinated, then that will swell and you'll find the seeds in there, in this case the rose hips. So to prolong the flowering season, if we take the flower off once it's flowered, that signal, that hormonal signal that's been sent to the plant, is not going to be sent, and what the plant will know is it's got to keep producing flowers because it hasn't been reproducing yet. So that's all we're going to do. Just have a look, this one here, I'm going to cut it because we can see that there is another rose just about to flower here, so I'm just going to cut it just above the join there. Now when this rose has finished flowering, I'm not going to do the same thing here. I'm going to actually cut it to the next leaf node. Now I'm not going to do this one because I've noticed, you can see that there's a nice healthy shoot coming out of that one. So once this one's finished flowering, I'm actually going to cut that at that point there, and then this one will start producing the flowers. Okay, so I'm just going to do this one here. Again, look, we're going all the way back to that leaf node, and I'm going to snip that. And it's good that you do this regularly because that will really encourage these roses to keep on flowering. This is a repeat flowerer, so the more you do this, the more it will keep producing flowers. Okay, we'll just have a look. There's a few more in there. And it being a windy day today, this is going to speed up the flowers going over. Another one here. Okay, once again, I'm just cutting it back just above that leaf node. And if you do that on a daily basis with your roses, they really will reward you by continuing to flower.